guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over a hair hack with you guys. I am trying out this new product and I want you all to be the first ones to get my review on it, how I like it, how it makes my hair feel, how it feels afterwards, and the ingredients, the smell, everything there is to it. So the product is an AvoMask. It is an avocado and banana hair mask. You know how you do a mask for your face? It's a mask for your hair. You do it before you wash and condition your hair. And it's basically a deep condition, but you're doing it first instead of doing it last. So before I even go into all the details about the hair product, I'm going to start putting it in my hair. And as I put it in my hair, I will describe to you the smell, how it feels, if it's heavy, all the ingredients in it, and just give you a little background about it and what it's supposed to do for your hair and why you should purchase it. Okay? All right.
Okay, so the very first thing I did was brush out my hair. So I haven't washed my hair. I haven't put any product in my hair at all. But you can, dampen your hair a little bit, like with some hot water, warm water, dampen it and brush it out depending on what style your hair was in when you want to use this mask. Me, it was just curly and, getting old and dirty. So I just simply brushed it out. After that, I parted it down the middle. I parted the one side into 2 sections. You can part it into 4 sections, but I'm going to do one half of my head into 2 sections. And then the other half, I'm going to show you another way that you can apply it. Because you can apply it in the way that it works for your hair best. So I'm going to show you this one way where I'm parting it on 2 sides. I'll put it in one section first and then the other section. Then the other side, I'll just be putting it on the entire section as a whole. And you'll see how I do that. Okay, so to start out, I'll do the back section first. And if you ever had a perm, for my ladies who have had a perm, you'll know how it is. They take the sections and they apply it to each section, like, part by part, and they put section by section. And you just want to make sure you apply it onto your hair entirely. Don't be stingy with the product. Do not be stingy with it. You want to let it drench your hair. And you can comb it out if that works for you, but you don't have to, depending on what you want to do. Comb it out. Just make sure it's getting to every strand of your hair from the top of the root to the end, all right? Because you want the product to work on your entire hair, not just one section of your hair. So you want to make sure you get it on every single strand and it's drenched in it. Do not be stingy. So another thing with this product is that it does expire. Because it's all natural products, you have to use them within the first 3 weeks that you buy it. The owner does make them as you order them. So you have to either freeze it if you're not going to use it right away, which is what I did. So when I showed you it, like the top part looked like a kind of like dirty brown or dirty greenish. That's because I froze it and then thawed it out. And then when you thaw it out, you can have it sit out and thaw out, or you can put it in a microwave like I did. It doesn't mess the product up at all. But if you don't, you just want to use it within the first 3 weeks. And the ingredients, I said a couple of them in the beginning, but it's avocado, banana, honey, and 3 different vitamins. And the vitamins consist of vitamin A, C, and E. And the smell, I think it smells pretty good. It smells kind of like a banana. It's not really strong. It feels really smooth. I have a lot of hair, so this might take me longer than it might take some people, depending on the length of your hair. But my hair is long and thick, so it took me a little while to do this. But on the other side of my hair, when I didn't part into 2 compartments, I just slabbed it on my hair and made sure it got all through the strands of my hair, in and out, all over. And you want to make sure you're doing this in an area that you don't mind making a little mess. Make sure you have a towel, you have some scrunchies. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm just messy and that's why I got all over the place, but listen, don't judge me, okay? Alright, so just applying the product to my hair until my hair is evenly saturated with the avocado mask. I have a lot of hair. So if you have a lot of hair, you need to probably get 2 containers. And they are 1 for $17 and 2 for $30. So you'll get them each for $15 each. I know some might say that's kind of expensive, but I mean, you have to invest in your hair just like you have to invest in your skin, your body, your clothes, your car. Listen, anything good you want, anything that you want to maintain and keep up to par and keep at its best, you have to invest in it. And if your hair is a big deal to you, because that's something people see every day, listen, even if you have a shortcut, this is definitely a product that can benefit you in all areas. So you need to be investing in your hair and getting products that are natural and that work for your hair.
Okay, so now that I'm finished applying the AvoMask, I'll be setting a timer on my phone and I'll be waiting for 30 minutes. You can use your discretion, wait for 30 minutes to an hour. And once it starts to get, kind of hard and crusty around your edges, that's when you want to take the product
Okay
out.
guys, so I just rinsed out the AvoMask. I'm going to take my hair down and let you guys see what it looks like. Like literally just took it out. And I didn't wash my hair yet. I didn't put any conditioner in there because I want you guys to get the full effect of just the mask. Nothing in it at all. Just rinsed out the mask. And I'm gonna tell you guys one thing. Yeah, I got this natural middle part because that's how I'm always wearing my hair, middle part, most of the time. But anyways, one thing that I noticed right away about this product, which has instantly made me fall in love with it, is that I did not see a lot of shedding in my hair. I don't know about you guys, but I know with me, especially with me doing the 365 days, no heat, my hair sheds a lot, like a lot. Now I ain't shedding and going bald in areas, but I'm noticing just a lot of shedding and it's annoying. But when I rinsed this out of my hair, it was a tiny bit of shedding compared to how much my hair really sheds. Like my hair would shed and it would be all these little hairballs. Like, ew, you know, you got cleaned up, you get like at the end of your tub, you got pick it up. But anyway, a reduced amount of shedding. 2 thumbs up for that. Okay, so I can tell already that my hair is shiny. I have no products in it but that, and my hair just has a natural glow. Like, do y'all see it or is it just me? Y'all see it? You see it? Yeah, it's just a natural shine. And then it feels good. It feels really good. It's a lot softer. Like, you know, without me doing anything to my hair, it has my curls more defined. A lot more defined. So this product has, you know, 5 stars from me right now. Like, I have no complaints. It don't stink. Right now, it kind of doesn't really have a smell. Like maybe a tiny bit of banana, but you'll be washing and conditioning your hair afterwards, so you'll get whatever smell that you want to have, that you have from your shampoo. So I definitely recommend this hair product. It is an all natural based hair product, like I've said earlier, which is like the thing right now. People are loving all things natural, and why not? If you can use the natural ingredients instead of putting all these crazy products in your hair that you don't know where they're coming from and they're messing your hair up, this is it. And I'm about to show you guys a picture of the owner. Actually, her name is Tabria, and I'll put all her information down below so you can contact her, go to her page. She has a website link and everything. All that will go down below so you can purchase this item. I'm about to show you guys a picture of Tabria, of her using this product, you guys to see the hair growth. Like, the growth is real. Yes, now that if this picture isn't enough, like if this is not worth your while and you're not seeing why you should purchase this product, you could just click out and go to the next video. You know, make sure you subscribe. But no, seriously, like this is a big thing. Like, it promotes hair growth. Obviously I have a lot of growth, but why it's good for me is it reduces shedding, which makes your hair thicker and fuller. So for the ladies and guys who have thin hair, this product will help. It will reduce your shedding, which makes your hair more full, and it retains moisture. And I think that's why I have this shine. So if you want results like the picture I just showed you, you're going to want to use this product every week or every 2 weeks. She uses the product every week, and that's how she got those drastic results. She was taking care of her hair, using this product, and being consistent with it. You have to be consistent if you want to see results, and you have to invest in products. So people might think it's a lot. Oh, it's $17, 2 for $30. You have to invest in yourself, and if your hair is a big thing to you and that's what you're trying to enhance and make better, you're gonna have to invest in products, especially if they work. And from the picture you've seen, and from her cutting down this short to it getting down here, and you just seen it like that with it curly, her hair is even longer. You're gonna have to invest in some products, and some natural products, and good products that are good for your hair. So go down below, get the information you need, and purchase. Try it out. I wouldn't come on here and lie to y'all and say, oh yeah, buy this product, it's all that. I'm not getting paid for this. I tried it out. I wanted to see how it was going to look on my hair because I'm doing this no heat challenge. I'm trying all natural types of products and things that are good for natural hair growth and curl definition. And this so far, 5 stars, 2 thumbs up. I can tell already it reduced my shedding, and I used it once. This is my first time, and my hair and curls are more defined. It's shinier. You can tell the moisture is retained, and I'm gonna need y'all to go get that. Go down below, hit my girl up, sweet girl. You don't even have to talk to her if you don't want to talk to her. Just go online to the little website and order the product. And depending on where you're located at, you can get same day delivery. Yeah, it's a lot of perks to it. All natural ingredients. So do what you gotta do. Go down below, get her information, contact her, get you a container, try it out one time, and I bet you'll be hooked one time. I'll be making my purchase as soon as I'm finished with this because I want to keep using it. I'm tired of this shedding, and if I only been doing my 365-day challenge for 2 months, I got 10 more months to go, and I'm not with that shedding, okay? And listen, y'all can quote me on this. Go ahead and buy the product, and I'm betting on this product that you will not have anything negative to say about it. And if you do, if you go buy it and you do, let me know. Let me know. But you're not though, because I can guarantee that. Because if I had something negative about it, I wouldn't be doing this review. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I love the product. You'll love it too. Go down below, get the information, have some popping hair, be popping, love yourself, spread positivity. Make sure you subscribe down below, comment, like, and follow my social medias if you haven't already. Alright?